Welcome back, truth seekers, to another episode of our mysterious universe. Today, we're diving deep into a mind-bending theory that could redefine our understanding of human history. What if civilization on Earth isn't a one-act play, but rather a series of recurring performances with long intermissions? Let's explore the possibility that human civilization has appeared multiple times, with vast gaps in between. First up, let's talk about the timeline. Earth's age is about 4.5 billion years. Now, if we consider our known history from the Paleolithic to the present day as just one cycle, there's plenty of room for more. Geological timescales suggest that every few million years, life might hit reset, including potentially intelligent life. The case for multiple civilizations starts with evidence gaps. What we know might only scratch the surface. If civilizations existed millions of years apart, their remnants could have been obliterated by geological processes like plate tectonics, massive glaciation, or even cosmic impacts. It's the ultimate archaeological whodunit. Let's consider what we call the Ozymandias Effect. Even grand structures like the pyramids of Giza could be reduced to sand dunes over millions of years, leaving no trace for future archaeologists. This brings us to the decay of our modern civilization. In the short term, centuries to millennia, our architectural marvels would decay. Cities like New York might become urban jungles, with skyscrapers morphing into ancient ruins. Cultural memory, including our digital data, would vanish unless physically preserved. Medium term, from millennia to hundreds of thousands of years, nature would take back what was once ours. Forests, deserts, or even oceans might cover former metropolises. Plastics might persist, but even they would eventually degrade or be absorbed by the Earth. Over millions of years, in the long term, geological erasure would occur. Plate tectonics could move continents, subducting our artifacts deep into the Earth's mantle. Volcanic activity, erosion, and sedimentation would further obliterate evidence. But here's where it gets fun: speculative archaeology. If a new intelligent species or a future human civilization arose, they might find a satellite or interpret the Great Barrier Reef's remnants as geological structures. They'd piece together our existence from such sparse clues, possibly theorizing about the Great Plastic Civilization or the age of the sky canoes, our planes. Could our myths, like Atlantis, be echoes of these past civilizations, twisted through the lens of time? It's a tantalizing thought. So, what's the takeaway? The idea of cyclic civilizations is both thrilling and humbling. It suggests our achievements might be fleeting in the cosmic timeline. If there were civilizations before us, their legacy might now be dust or the foundation for new mountains. In this theoretical funhouse, the only certainty is uncertainty. That's all for today's speculative journey on our mysterious universe. Remember, the quest for understanding our past might just lead us to ponder our future in a new light. Maybe one day, we'll be the myth, the legend, or simply the geological footnote in some future being's story. Stay curious, and we'll see you next time. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.